Yeah. We're gonna make a video. Just on in the ice. Just in the ice. Don't believe people from Craigslist.
Oh man, I'm smoking a lot. What the hell?
So we're looking up under here because this is my first time looking under here, and it does not look too bad. I thought it would have been worse. There's a few oil leaks, like right here is an oil leak.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Sorry for my horrible quality. We're laying in the middle of the road.
We're in the middle of the road, so this is gonna suck. You're gonna hear a lot of cars. Anyways, looks like the alternator's been changed because it looks nice and shiny, like a remanufactured one would be. But I guess he cheaped out and didn't buy a belt, because the belt looks real worn. I don't know if I could.
So we gotta add that on the list of things to change.
Yeah, it's like real shiny. So what we're planning on, I gotta fix this too because it's real ugly. What we're planning on doing today is giving it a full tune-up, spark plugs, oil. We're gonna check the filter, give it a full radiator flush. Because if you could look inside here, it looks low too.
That's gunky.
That's like milky in there. So
hopefully that fixes the smoke in the back.
It's smoking in the back. So we're gonna give it some spark plugs, give it an oil change, give it a air filter. Maybe change this belt if we can afford it, because this is a budget build, not a race car. Excuse my language. Somebody ghetto rigged this, so I ghetto rigged it even better. I broke a penny in half and put the penny here, so now this doesn't move. I put this under here. You literally
broke a penny in half? Wait, let me see if I can focus.
This one still moves, so I'm gonna have to break another penny. We gotta make a tie strap for this, because this battery, when I drift, it moves like this, and it pulled this off. So I was running off the battery when I pulled it home. Thank God I didn't go anywhere far. So we're just gonna give it a few observations and see what we see. And probably wash this engine bay down because it's looking real nasty. So stay tuned and yeah.
Oh man, that's dirty. Whoa. Throw this away. Oh, Dink, watch out, boy. What you doing, man?
We're on a budget, so we're not changing this. Okay, guys. So on further inspection,
let me zoom out.
Further inspection, somebody broke the fan shroud. In the message, let me show you the text. If you could see it, he said, oil change and had the fuel system clean. Come to further inspection. This is not clean oil.
Boy, you lying?
This oil looks like it's been through hell and back. I don't know if those are metal flakes or if that's just oil bubbles, but this oil has not been changed.
The homies just pulled up. They came here for emotional support just like me. Yo, hey, turn up. What'd you think of the LS? I wrote. So after retightening everything, we're finally gonna change the oil. I don't know what this man is doing, but
he needs some milk.
He has anger issues. Please donate to his fund. He needs help. 2018. Whoa, wait.
I'm not moving.
Okay, you're good.
Okay, so we put the, my ass. I hurt my ass. We put this plastic piece on. It was hanging, and it won't pass drift spec. So now we're gonna change the racing oil. an oil racing filter, and get some spark plugs too, and make the race car good again.
That's black.
Ew.
That's some chocolate milk, right? That's worse than chocolate milk. That's dark chocolate milk, my boy.
Yeah, that's some nasty oil.
Oil change. It had an oil change. He lying?
Don't believe people from Craigslist.
Whoa, zoom out. Look at that. That's disgusting. In person is worse. Do you see any flakes?
Camera does no justice. I don't see anything. Do not spill this in your backyard. It is illegal. Take it to your local auto parts store.
Dude, what are you doing? Oh. Never mind.
Taking it to your local auto parts store.
You rolling? Oh, my long neck, yeah.
I let him drive. Bro, be careful, bro. Look both ways. There's a car behind you. So we got some oil from the wall of Mart because it's cheaper. And you know we like cheap because we're on a budget.
Oops.
Slow down, bro. Be careful. I don't know why I let him drive. We're going to AutoZone, grabbing some spark plugs. Bro, wait. This dude cannot. Wait.
What?
Let him go.
He's going.
You're gonna hit him, bro. My God, this dude. Stop. You're not funny. When you hit him, it didn't start laughing.
He's so scary.
You can't drive. Oh my God, what the hell did I do? Golly.
You scared, boy?
Slow your ass down.
We're gonna head out to AutoZone, get some spark plugs.
Bro, you worry about the driving, okay? I'm gonna be talking. We're gonna head out to AutoZone, get some spark plugs.
Damn, chicken.
That's what's her name, sister. Anyway, we're gonna go get some spark plugs so it can spark the plug. And hopefully the Lexus will run strong.
I'm asking so I know how to get out of sticky.
We got some spark plugs. So far we've spent, what was it, 20? The oil was 17 and the filter was $3.
So $20.
So $20 on oil. Be careful.
And $40 on spark plugs.
Go.
But there's a catch.
It was $43 for these. These were on promo. I had $20 gift card, so that brought it down to $23. And they gave us $10 gift card for buying 4 or more of these. So pretty much these were $13 for 8. So we got a good deal on that. So far the budget is 33 bucks.
33 bucks. Plus 800.
Plus 800.
833.
$833. So it's not too bad.
Now we gotta get ARP studs. That's what we're hoping to get.
Bro, put your freaking hand on the steering wheel. He's like talking with his hands and he's letting
ARP
go.
studs, coils.
Look how bad it's like veering. Oh, I can't even hold it right. Anyways, that's our budget so far. So we're gonna smack these bad boys in there and put some oil in it and see how she starts, see how she runs.
So after our little break, putting on the oil filter, gonna put the oil in.
I need to be in an AutoZone commercial.
Starts like a champ. Oh man, you guys don't know, another snowstorm is gonna come in. It's gonna hit us deep. We're gonna get like 6 inches. Psych, we're gonna get like 1, but you know, school's still canceled. Bring her over here, boy.
Grab me another rag.
Where's the rag?
I threw it away.
Look at that. It's not Focus in. You want to explain what this is?
This is heavy duty Lucas oil stabilizer. It's just it makes your oil thicker, and it's winter time, so I'm gonna just pour the rest of this in there. It's almost not even half of it. It's just better for your engine. It when your oil pump is spinning, it goes everywhere instead of just at the bottom, so you get more lubrication.
More bang for your buck, basically.
What?
I don't know. We'll just say that. We'll just throw that in there.
It's just better for your engine, especially for an old engine like this one, you know. It lubricated better.
So we're gonna start off by taking everything off to get to the other side of the spark plugs.
This clamp is seized.
Hopefully we're gonna knock this out in an hour because it's getting pretty chilly and we're burning daylight.
This clamp is seized.
This side of the engine is like pretty easy to get to, but there's like so much over there. What happened?
Oil. And it smells like fuel.
What does that mean?
It smells like the injectors are leaking. They're pissing. This has oil here, so it's probably gonna need a valve cover gasket soon. Let me see that's how it looks. This car to the mechanic was a cheap dude.
Wait, repeat that.
Whoever took this car to the mechanic was a cheap dude. Because while taking that cover off, they didn't put this bolt in. And they're just doing some ghetto stuff. Like, this belt looks weird. It's too damn close to here. It should be evenly in the middle, not to the side. Which is not bad. The belt is in not bad condition. It's still good, so we're gonna leave that. It's probably gonna need a valve cover soon. Because as you can see, it has a puddle of oil there. I've seen worse, but it is what it is. These are, what were these? NGK? NGK-IR. I don't know if these were double platinum or not, but we're gonna put some auto light in it because we're not putting no damn NGK. We ain't got no NGK money. This is a budget build, not a let's pimp out your ride build. And light in all consistent. So put my finger in there and slide it in as deep as I can. That's what she said. Put that in there. Start by hand first. And I got my trusty dusty DeWalt here. Screw that in. Take this and go until you can feel it get tight. Okay. One down, 7 to go. And that goes right in there.
So while he was taking out the spark plugs and changing them, he forced me to go ahead and go clean this valve cover up. So it looks a lot better in my opinion, but we do need to change this black to like a drift purple or, you know, a flaky gold.
It's gonna get painted, so comment and tell us what color we should paint the valve covers, because that's give you cool drift points.
Yes sir, yes indeed.
This is to make it quiet, I'm guessing.
Most likely.
So I'm guessing this makes it quiet, this extra piece right here. So when we do in the future change the intake, we're gonna cut this off, seal it off, and throw this away, because this really doesn't do anything. I guess for noise or something. Stupid.
Moment of truth. Starts like a champ. Let's see the rear end. Well, honestly, it's not that bad.
It's not smoking like it did, huh?
Better than
You
before.
can see a little bit of blue smoke.
Oh, it's getting worse now.
No, I mean, it's cold outside. Mafia!
That's Mafia.
It's a freaking monster.
I'm gonna be out of charge.
Okay, guys, we're from the test drive. We're just gonna drive it around the block and go home. He's almost out of charge, so we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Give us some ideas on what to do to the Mafia Lexus.
Oh my, chill out, bro. This is a boat.
Yeah, we might have to fix some of this because look at this shit. And look at this dude in the middle of the road like a freaking idiot. Yeah. We're gonna make a video. Just on in the ice. Just in the ice. Holy shit, look at the smoke.